Welcome to Honey Tea Day! Today, we share sweetness and teamwork.
I'm the honey helper. I can carry it. I'm the safety spot check.
To the picnic clear we fly. Two hands, slow wings, sweet steps.
Steady, steady. You've got this. Delivering honey. Here we go. I'll stay with you the whole way. The path looks like a smile. Uh-oh, bouncy honey.
Gentle turns, little helper. Almost there, no rush.
If honey wiggles, we wiggle slower. Slow wings. I can do it.
Careful, shiny leaf ahead. Ip. Rolling honey.
Stop, yeah, stop.
Left, gentle left.
Easy. Going. I'm okay.
It stopped. Honey is safe up there. Rescue mission time.
I messed up. I'm sorry.
Oops happens. We're a team. I see a safe path.
We got it.
No yanking.
Honey is safe. Now we plan. Together. Together.
Little oops, big tries. In like a balloon, out like a feather. We go slow, we stay safe.
I'm ready to fix it.
Leaf ladder time. We build with gentle things. pillows. Ready! Safe steps. Help each other. We climb on the calm side. 2 ladybugs. Maybe 3. I'm a leaf monster. Growl. Cutest builder in the garden. Wind is gentle now. Good. Sturdy leaves only. Exactly. Loop, swoop, done. Moss pillows ready. Tiny test. Sturdy. One leaf at a time. Oops, flower tool. Flowers for cheering later. I can almost smell the honey. Moss is my best friend. We're doing it! Pause. Safety breath. I can hold it steady. Don't move, honey. Soft and steady. We guide it down a petal slide. Landing zone ready. Slide and catch team. Yes! A smooth curve, no bumps. Soft and smooth, like a cuddle. Test run approved. Slow at the end. Perfect. Guide, not grab. Guide, not grab. I'm the nudge. I'm the hug catch. Everyone ready? Here it goes, gentle. Perfect glide. I'm lined up. I'm lined up. Slow, slower. spectacular! Teamwork wins!
Thank you. Always.
Back to tea, slow and steady.
Two hands. Always.
What did we learn?
Slow wings.
And be kind to yourself. Tea time looks perfect. Smells like victory and flowers.
Delivered.
Tea time together. Celebration petals.
One little drip.
Best snack ever. To helping hands. We fixed it together. I thought I failed,
But we solved it.
mistakes are just puzzles.
And we're puzzle pros.
Kindness dance party.
Step, step, wiggle. Two hands saved it.
That's my careful helper. Look, a Frenzen loop.
We should do this every day.
A daily kindness parade.
Good day, great team.
Time to tuck the garden in.
Good night, honey. I'm spot sleepy.
The garden is calm and safe. Slow wings, safe hands, team hearts.
Bye-bye. Bye.
See you soon. Good night, little helpers.
Good night. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye. Created by Little Funny Bunny.
Thanks for watching. Tap subscribe and come play again soon.